Hey, I'm back again. We're going to talk about keto-adaptation and nutritional yeast, okay? Nutritional yeast is a natural product that provides a lot of B vitamins in the transition from sugar burning to fat burning when you're doing ketosis. You need some B vitamins to avoid the keto flu and the keto fatigue. And there's two common questions that I always get about nutritional yeast. So number one, will it give me a yeast infection like candida? The answer is no. Candida is a completely different strain than nutritional yeast. In fact, when you take nutritional yeast, it's not even alive, it's deactivated. The other question relates to, is nutritional yeast MSG as an autolyzed yeast extract? And the answer is no, completely different things. But just because it has the word yeast in it doesn't make it identical, okay? So it's completely different. So you don't have to worry about that. But the benefit of nutritional yeast is it provides the natural source of B vitamins. The other thing that it provides is a great source of amino acids, which is interesting, which is protein. And it also has quite a few minerals and trace minerals, which are also needed in the transition process. But you want to make sure that you get a non-fortified nutritional yeast. Like this is a fortified one, fortified with synthetic B vitamins. We don't want to do that because that comes from petroleum. And then there is brands, Sari Foods is one brand of a nutritional yeast that's non-fortified. So this is pretty good. One of the challenges though people have is how do I consume this powder? Do I just chew it? Do I put it in my teeth? Because it gets kind of stuck in your teeth a little bit. I created a nutritional yeast tablet that you can consume. And the only thing that I put in here, because it's non-fortified, I didn't put any synthetic vitamins. There are some products out there that have the synthetics. I put a B12, but it's a natural form. So all you're getting is a tablet with nutritional yeast, non-fortified, and B12. So you just take this as well. And that would allow you to make the transition from sugar burning to fat burning. I'll put a link down below for more information. I hope that helped, and put your comments down below. Hi guys, hey listen, I created a pretty amazing evaluation quiz down below that actually analyzes your symptoms to find the cause, the root cause of all of your symptoms, the most likely cause. So take the quiz now and we'll send you a report.